Hi, Eric here from the Ilara HMIS team, and I have a pro tip for you. I'd like to show you how you can search and select for diagnosis in the Ilara HMIS. Now, the Ilara HMIS supports recording diagnosis capture based on ICD-10, which has over 70,000 codes. To make the selection of diagnosis easier, the Ilara HMIS integrates an ICD-10 quick list, which has 150 of the most common diagnoses, which are constantly being updated based on user feedback. If a code is missing from the quick list, the entire code list in the full list may be searched. Now, let's practically search for 3 diagnoses and select them. We'll start off with common cold, which we'll search for in the quick list. When we're not finding it in the quick list, we'll go to the full list. And then we'll scroll the list of diagnoses with that word and select the respective diagnosis we are looking for, which is this one. Next, we'll search for hypertension, which we can do in the quick list. We can find it here and select it. We could also go to Google and search for the diagnosis code for secondary hypertension as follows. We'll go to a new tab, search for ICD-10 code for secondary hypertension. So this is the code for that diagnosis. We'll copy it, take it back to the HMIS and paste it in the full ICD-10 list, and the system will return that specific diagnosis we were looking for. We can also go back to Google and search for ICD-10 code for antenatal clinic, and then select the code, take it back, and select it. As simple as that. That is how you can search and select for diagnoses in the Ilara HMIS.